I'm here today with Turkish Airlines CEO Temel Kotil. Thank you. I just want to ask you two questions today. First, what is your outlook for 2011?
2011 is a nice year for all the carriers. We make sure that is double nice for Turkish Airlines. And in 2011, we're extending our long-haul flights from 20 to 40 machine. Of course, nobody keep continue. Still, we are targeting became the best airline on the earth.
Thank you. What are your concerns for the coming year?
Coming here, actually, still we keep continue growing. Not only 2011, we do 2010 and 9 and 8, starting from 2005. Continuous growing is make the life more difficult. And it's the first time in 2011 we are entering this much global coverage in terms of destination. If you know, we are the 8th largest airline in terms of the coverage number of destination. So this means challenges there. And in the bad time, this is the crisis, 2008 and 9, we perform perfectly. In the good time, we need to make sure that we're performing perfectly. The difference between them, when the other airlines cutting capacity, we increase it. This time, other airlines increasing capacity, so we need to increase much more. This making difficult.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.